Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to start playing with my cock. Yes, my cock makes a noise now. Are you laughing at me? Yeah? What the hell are you looking at? What the hell are you looking at? What? Oh, you too. Say hi to everybody. Are you? Yeah? Okay. Looks like I'm having a replacement for Vinny P. Were you gonna say something to Vinny P? Yeah? You gonna talk shit to him? Alright, hold on. Let me get Vinny P. Hold up, guys. We have a interaction going on. You guys miss me from entertainment? Yeah? Okay, cool. So I'm going to introduce Vinny P to you, okay? My cock, this is Vinny P. Vinny P, my cock. Yeah. So, yeah, how you guys doing out there? Great. Vinny P, what? I'm mad because the cock is bigger. This cock is bigger than mine. What? Huh? No, no, Vinny, Vinny, stop. I'm not gonna play with my cock in public, okay? Stop. Stop. See, he agrees with me. So who is much better? Who's much more entertaining? Vinny P or cock? Cock talks back. Vinny P, what? Huh? Okay. Yeah? Okay. So this has been Vinny P, Jeff Landis, and my cock. Are you a dog now? What? Stop biting me. Alright, he's dead in the spotlight. See you guys later.